Have you ever felt unbearable pain in the lumbar? Did you know it might be kidney stones? Many women say that the pain of a stone changing places is as strong as the pain of giving birth. Did you know that? When the kidney stones shift to the bladder or through the urethra, it is common to feel an acute, one-sided pain that moves to the lower parts of the abdomen. Some men feel discomfort in the testicles, while women may feel it in the outer labia. Other symptoms that you have kidney stones are lumbar pain, infertility, impotence or excessive sexual appetite, urinary problems, fragile bones and teeth, tinnitus or deafness, edema or asthma. In today's video, we will talk about kidney issues and how traditional Chinese medicine sees them. Let's also check some treatments of this millenary medicine that can help. Kidneys are important for our health, but traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, sees them in an even more special way. Do you know why? According to traditional Chinese medicine, it is in the kidneys that we find the centers of yin and yang, the vital energies that balance their differences and push our existence. Did you know that? The kidney yin is the base of yin fluids in the body, nourishing the organs and tissues. The kidney yang is the base of yang fluids. It warms the body and promotes the organic functions of organs and tissues. Yin and yang are intrinsically and eternally related, promoting internal balance and health. This interaction maintains our vital existence. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. For TCM, the kidneys house our willpower, determination, enthusiasm, and initiative spirit. With all these singularities, we need to take care of our kidneys to ensure a healthy and good life. TCM has many suggestions of how to prevent kidney issues and offers different treatments for kidney problems. Acupuncture. This is one of the recommended therapies to take care of your kidneys. This technique has anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, which treat many health conditions and imbalances. Phytotherapy, another Chinese therapy that prevents and treats kidney diseases. Dozens of plants and roots can purify the kidneys. We will talk about them in a future video. Now that you know more ways of taking care of your kidneys, share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.